Hey there, Ushma this side. Today we are diving deep into the world of SEO and content creation, unlocking the secrets to mastering search engine rankings. So are you ready to take your SEO game to the next level? You are in the right place. In this video, we are going to explore cutting-edge strategies for crafting SEO optimized content using Neuron Writer AI for free. Neuron Writer AI isn't just your average writing tool, it's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their content creation process while maximizing SEO effectiveness. Watch closely as I walk you through how to harness the power of AI to create compelling keyword-rich content that resonates with your audience and climbs the rank on search engine result page. But before getting into the tutorial, if you are interested in learning AI tools, we have an amazing workshop in just ₹9. Link is in description.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just ₹9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now let's get back to our tutorial. When it comes to SEO article Neuron Writer, to create the SEO optimized article, you need to first type in the main keyword and then you want to be ranked by after, and you can choose the target country and target language. Then you wait for a little for AI to do its research, and once it finishes, that is, it will give you a list of competitors that will be used as a reference for creating your article. Each competitor has a Google rank content score, the length of an article and the title of the page along with the URL to that page. Then in the right menu, switch to the AI writing and hit content designer. Then you need to once again confirm the main keyword you want to be ranked and check out the suggested title and descriptions for your text. You can also see how your snippet will look in Google result, which is quite helpful if you want to also optimize the title to be more visible. The next stage is to create the outline for your text. But before moving further, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become replaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. Now, as you can see, the ranking is 0, but the keyword we have already selected. You just go to in the outline section from your competitor in Meta, and if you're not sure, you can take the help of AI and it will automatically save you data and select the best ranking outline, protect you from the title failure phase. Now you can see with this title, the ranking is increased to 19. Let's do much more. As you have selected the title, after this, go to AI writing section where AI will help you to write the content hassle-free. You can explore several options, like you can create a content plan for a specific subjects and keyword, or you can map for the topic ideas on ranking. You can also generate a meta description based on given terms and examples, but now I'll go with generate article outline based on one or more keywords within seconds depending on the template. AI model started generating the content. As earlier the words limit were 207, which I can extend to 400. This time AI has generated the content of 500 words approximately, and the SEO ranking is on the top is 52, which is pretty decent. You can also change the model from ChatGPT 3.5 to Turbo 4. You can change the keyword anytime for better ranking results. So are you ready to revolutionize the content strategy? Click that subscription button and join our community of the SEO enthusiasts. Today we'll master the art of SEO and unleash the full potential of content creation. This was Ushma. See you in the next video.